Hello everyone, so if you want to add, resize or customize widget on your Android's home screen, here's how to do that. So first of all, locate any empty space on your home screen, hold your finger there, and in this pop-up menu, let's choose widgets. There we are. So you can see the list of the different applications which have their widgets, and if you install some application and this application has any kind of widget, it will be here. Like, you do not need to edit manually, no worries. So let's add up some battery widget, for example. So tap battery. Now you'll see the list of different widgets, and let's choose this one. Now tap on it, simply press add, or you can hold and drag it directly to any place of the home screen which you would love. Let it be this one. So there we are. Now it's added. If you're gonna hold your finger on this widget more, you will be able to resize it. If it's resizable, of course, not widgets have this option. We can make it smaller, bigger, etc. and etc. Now, if we're gonna hold our finger on it once again, and if we're gonna press setting, we will be able to customize it. Once again, if this widget allows us to do this. So in this case, we can choose which devices to show, right? However, it's different with any widget. We can choose the background, we can make the coloring, we can set up the transparency, and to make our changes work, simply press save, and there you are. Let's add up one more widget just so you see. Let's add up some clock widget. So everything the same, hold your finger, widgets, clocks. Let's add some digital clock. So let me hold it and let me bring it here. So let's resize it. Hold your finger, press settings. So basically pretty much the same. Press save. When you want to delete the widget, simply hold your finger on it, press remove, it's removed. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.